Hey everyone, my name is Sky.
I'm Dasaria.
And welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications by hitting the bell and give this video a big thumbs up.
So today we'll be teaching you how to make a delicious smoothie. All you will need is some spinach, a banana and a half, a cup of strawberry, some protein powder, 2 cups of water, coconut sugar, and a blender.
So let's get started. So first we're going to blend the spinach in the water.
One. Other way. Wait, other way. Cold. Okay, we're gonna put powdered sugar. And lastly, we're gonna add our protein powder.
You see that it's like almost there, and you see that it's like this. Then your scroll.
Time to taste it. Taste it. It's good.
So right now it tastes like bananas, and I could probably taste the strawberries too.
I can taste the coconut powder a little bit, not that much, but it's really good. I highly recommend it. I can definitely taste bananas. I love bananas in my smoothies.
I love bananas by itself too.
Okay, this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. Leave a comment down below how yours tasted. So, yes. Bye.